I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the call running. First, check audio and mic so you won't cut the conversation accidentally. Once done, find the lock/power button and note where the proximity sensor sits near the earpiece because you'll use those to control the screen. Make sure any screen timeout is set short or temporarily enable Do Not Disturb to prevent notifications from lighting the display. This reduces accidental taps and keeps the process smooth as you move to switch the screen off while staying on the press the lock or power button briefly to put the display to sleep. This usually preserves the active call and mutes the touchscreen, not the audio. If your phone uses a proximity sensor, cover it with your hand or a thin case area to ensure the screen stays off while you hold the phone to your ear. Alternatively, switch audio to a headset or Bluetooth speaker to keep the screen off entirely and still hear the caller. Make sure you don't press long enough to trigger shutdown or end the call. To finish, tap the power button briefly to wake the display and end the call or check details. If the screen keeps waking, make sure nothing obstructs the proximity sensor and that your case or screen protector isn't interfering. Reposition the phone or clean the sensor area. If the call drops when you turn the screen off, test whether your device's power button sends an end call command in settings and disable that option, or use a headset/Bluetooth to avoid relying on the phone's screen state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.